Good morning, everyone. Today is the day that I am dyeing my hair blonde. I'm feeling super scared and nervous, but I think it's time to do something about this orange mess. Summer is coming soon and I wanted to try a lighter color, and so today I am finally gonna do it. I've always wanted to, but I've just never been brave enough to do it. I'm currently in my Uber and on my way. At Lisa Din Hair Studio. Let's go in. Jessica, by the way. She's gonna be taking care of my hair.
So, what we're gonna do today is just see how light you can get in one session. Yeah. And then we'll have to go from there. Because again, I won't be able to tell until like I actually bleach it and see how you're looking in the foil.
Okay guys, I look super crazy, but basically we started at 12 p.m. It is now 12:48 p.m. Basically, they are bleaching my hair. The whole process is gonna take, she said, around 5 hours. Oh my god. How do you feel? I love it. I'm like so in love. Right there. Oh, I'm shocked. Oh my god. I literally don't even know who this is anymore. Oh my gosh, guys, we're done. The hair. I'm like so shook right now. Wow. Who is she? Thank you so much to Jessica. Oh my god, like the most amazing job ever. Pretty. It's so blended. Okay guys, I am so shook with my new hair. Oh my gosh, like I literally feel like a whole new person. I can't stop staring at myself in the viewfinder. I've never seen a color blend so seamlessly and flawlessly. Jessica at Lisa Din Hair Studios did an amazing job. I cannot believe that this is my hair. What? Wow, okay. Tell me guys, like, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you like the blonde? Do you like the orangey tones? Or this? I'm leaning to this. I'm like flipping and feeling myself. I'm literally still at the hair studio and just doing this like a crazy person. Oh my god, I'm literally blonde. I was also worried that it was gonna be damaged, but it feels soft. Like it basically feels the same. Like it didn't get worse. And like shook. I think like the best word to describe this is shook.